So we are just about a half a mile away from the Acropolis, and there's this little road that runs along kind of the more touristy zone of the kind of up towards the Acropolis. And there's this whole row of restaurants and little shops and all that type of stuff over here. We've now had 2 meals at God's restaurant, and it's been great. I think so. The first day we were here, we went to the restaurant next door. I think it's the Regal,
which was also a good restaurant.
It was good. But the hustle that was going on with the staff over at God's restaurant was amazing. And so we're like, okay, when we come back, we've got to go there and try it out, just because there's so much hustle and the energy is so high there that we just felt that it was necessary for us to go there.
And they're happy. They're greeting all the tourists. They really sincerely, well, I thought when I first saw them, they were trying to pull in business or whatever, but they are just legitimately happy people, and they're greeting everybody that's walking by and just saying, hey, if you want to come eat here, come on through. And as we were leaving the other restaurant, of course they grabbed us and was saying, hi, I hope you want to come eat. We're like, we just ate. But I'm like, we'll be back tomorrow. So we knew we were going to give it a try. And sure enough, when we showed up the next day, they remembered us.
Yeah, it was awesome. The food is great. That's the first day I had pizza, and then today I had the kebab. As an American, the portions are very much American sized, which is way too much food for me.
And me.
Yeah.
Yes.
But yeah, when we got to meet Nikos.
Yes, his name is Nicholas, but Nikos, he's the owner's son. The restaurant has been around for a very long time, and his parents, you can tell his parents expect good service and good food, because it's all amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's pictures on the wall inside from generations of, I think, family that's worked there or owned the place. And then the other thing that's cool about it is, so we were sitting there yesterday getting our meal, and he said, "That's my mama."
Yes.
And she came over and she greeted Marie, which was cool. So yeah, it's just a really wonderful experience. And Greece has been amazing. And this is just kind of like one of those things that's icing on the cake. Awesome food, awesome people, awesome experience. Got anything else you want to say?
No, I just absolutely love this restaurant and just wanted to give it kudos.
Definitely, if you come here to Greece, to Athens, definitely check out God's restaurant. And we'll put below the name of the street this is on, because there's no way that we're going to pronounce it correctly. We will totally
We'll give you all the details.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll check you in the next video.
Yes. Oh, sorry.
This is my meal, and he's going to fix it for me.
That's it?
He doesn't want to do it.
I'm more professional.
Okay, and here's the more professional. Yes.
I know where the bones are hiding.
Okay.
It's like a surgeon.
You know what you're doing. That's awesome.
See?
Oh, look
I got
at
it.
that.